Welcome to GetRewin by Archiom, the smart WordPress plugin for automated review collection and customer retention. If you run a local service business like plumbing, HVAC, electrical services, roofing, cleaning services, or a local agency, then you already know how important Google reviews are for building trust and getting more customers. The problem is, most happy customers never leave a review unless you ask them. That's exactly why we built GetRewin. GetRewin helps businesses automate the review collection process directly from WordPress, making it easier to collect more Google reviews, improve customer trust, and grow your online reputation. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the complete setup process and show you how to start collecting reviews in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, then click Add New. Search for GetRewin. Click Install Now, then Activate. After activation, GetRewin will automatically launch the setup wizard. The onboarding process is simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. Step 1. Business information. Start by entering your business name. This information will appear inside your review request emails and customer communication. Once everything looks good, click Next to continue. Step 2. Add your Google review link. Now paste your Google review link. Also, you can use Google Maps links here. When happy customers leave a positive rating, GetRewin automatically redirects them to this page, so they can leave a public Google review. Once your review link is added, click Continue. Step 3. Email setup. Next, configure your email settings. For reliable delivery, GetRewin recommends using an SMTP plugin like Fluent SMTP. Here you can configure your sender email, send a test email, and verify that everything is working properly. Once your email setup is ready, continue to the next step. Step 4. Add your first customer. Enter the customer's name, email address, phone number, and tags if needed. You can also import customers later using CSV import. After adding your customer, click Continue. Step 5. Send your first review request. Now it's time to send your first review request. GetRewin will automatically send a professional review request email directly to your customer. Customers can rate their experience directly from the email in just a few clicks. Once your first request is sent, your review automation system is officially active. Click Open Dashboard to continue. Inside the dashboard, you'll get a quick overview of your review performance. You can track review requests sent, ratings received, average customer rating, and recent customer activity. Quick actions also allow you to instantly add customers, send requests, and access analytics. Now let's explore the Customers page. This is your customer management system. Here you can add customers manually, import customers using CSV files, export customer data, search customers, manage tags, and track review history. You can also send review requests directly from each customer row. Now let's look at GetRewin's Smart Review Funnel. When customers receive your review request email, they select a star rating based on their experience. If the customer leaves a positive rating, they are redirected to your public Google review page. If the customer leaves a lower rating, they are redirected to a private feedback form instead. This helps businesses collect more positive public reviews while handling negative feedback privately. Next, open the Templates section. Here you can customize your review request emails. Edit email content, change branding, use shortcodes, customize the design, and even modify the HTML template. This gives you complete flexibility to match your business branding. Now let's move to the Analytics page. The Analytics dashboard helps you monitor review performance and customer engagement. Track emails sent, open rates, ratings received, customer responses, daily activity trends, and average rating performance. These insights help you improve your review campaigns over time. GetRewin also includes a built-in QR code generator. It creates a downloadable QR code linked directly to your review page. You can use it on business cards, invoices, flyers, counters, service paperwork, or vehicles. Customers simply scan the QR code and leave a review instantly. Finally, inside the Settings page, you can manage business details, Google review links, email configuration, privacy settings, data export tools, and advanced options. GetRewin also includes GDPR-compliant data export, can spam unsubscribe handling, and customer privacy controls. And that's it. GetRewin makes it easy for local service businesses to automate review collection, build customer trust, and grow their online reputation directly from WordPress. Thank you for using GetRewin by Archiom.